So much to learn about, it'll make you wanna shout, Blippi!
Bulldozer clearing the land. Whoa. Bulldozer pushing rubble and sand. Whoa. Bulldozer constructing the roads. Whoa. Move over, it's about to roll. Whoa. It's a yellow tracked machine, found on mines, farms, and factories. It can push most anything. Bulldozer stirring up debris. Yeah! Bulldozers help the farmers work by breaking up rocks and digging in the dirt. With the blade on the front and a claw on the back, it can help you build a home just like that. Whoa, it's on a roll. Bulldozer, keep on rolling, dozer. And they can move through some rough terrain. They can move all kinds of things, you name it. Bulldozer clearing the land. Bulldozer pushing rubble and sand. Bulldozer constructing the roads. Move over, it's about to roll. Bulldozer clearing the land. Bulldozer pushing rubble and sand. Bulldozer constructing the roads. Move over, it's about to roll. Roll, roll on, bulldozer. You better move over, here comes the bulldozer. Roll, roll on, bulldozer. You better move over, here comes the bulldozer. It's a yellow machine.
Come on everyone, let's make learning fun. So much to learn about, it'll make you wanna shout, Blippi!